Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be in two parts. The first is a donut coloring page I'm making for my class, and the second is a donut pattern, which I'm still sticking to a pink color palette. I'm not going to do a long voiceover for this video, just know that I love donuts and I love drawing donuts and it makes me happy. Oh, and I wanted to make an announcement that I've been working on a couple video concepts I'm pretty excited for. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Tuesday. Thanks. Bye guys.